inside of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged but I can't control it, so stay away from me. The beast is ugly, I feel the rage and I just can't hold